Hi, I'm Dr. Scott Greenberg, and one of the things that we can do with these bands are squatting exercises. Squats are really good because they get your hips extended. You also get to build strength in your buttocks and also not only in your quadriceps but in your hamstrings. And it's really important to try to build hamstring strength up because our quads get overly taut, overly tight, and it can also pull our hips out of place. So we need to keep the back areas getting stronger so that we don't end up with spinal problems. So you can do a squat, either a normal squat, or you can put a resistance band across your leg. But I'll just demonstrate a normal squat because it's essentially the same thing. So we want to have our feet parallel. In addition to that, we want to make sure that we're putting our weight through our heels and actually squeezing our buttocks because we don't want to be too much on our toes. And when we do a squat, we want to kind of look forward, not arch our back too much, and as we get proficient and get stretched out, we can actually go all the way down and you can kind of come close to sitting on your heels. But again, when you go down, squeeze your buttocks, put your weight through your heels, don't lean too far forward, and that'll help you do a successful squat.